sharing is basically this emotion of joy and happiness you get from sharing moments and things with others around you, and it's something that's so human and so genuine and beautiful. We celebrate it because we know that Mr. Shiv Nadir, he is a philanthropist and he does so much work, good work for his community, and we try to evoke the same feeling inside the students of Shiv Nadir through Joy of Sharing. This time for Joy of Sharing week, me and my classmates, we all decorated many items and revamped them. So I personally made a painting, my classmates made lamps, jars, bottles and decorated them. So all of these will be used in a fundraiser which is going to be used to collect funds for NGOs and charity causes.
As students, it's very enriching and it's such a gratifying experience to be able to give back to the community from such a young age, because I've seen these students that are very young, from first grade, second grade, participating in Joy of Sharing and becoming part of change. For me, the best part of it comes in the name itself, the fact that it's Joy of Sharing, and you can really see that reflected as you walk through the event. You'll see smiles on everyone's faces, laughter, music, just happiness around the whole school.
Joy of Sharing for me is a very beautiful way to teach children the value of giving, not just about donating money, but also donating your time, your effort and your resources, all for the sake of bringing a smile to someone else's face. And you know, they do this through various ways, whether it is through baking, whether it is through doing some art and craft, or even like having game stalls, karaoke stalls. Every year they come up with something new. Like this year they even had a car wash. New way of putting in their time and effort to earn some money.
This was my first Joy of Sharing and it was an amazing experience. In addition to fun, we also give back to society, and this is a wonderful concept.
I feel like feeding people is one of the most basic ways that you can show people that you care for them. When we were told to serve in the langar, when it wasn't people from outside, when it wasn't the staff, when it was us serving the staff, serving the other students, serving the teachers, it was just a unique experience. It was something different. It was selfless more than anything else.